God, just look at her. I finally washed it. Look how clean she is. Oh my God. Look how clean it is. So I'm on my way right now to meet up with Mike. Mike is the guy from a couple videos ago with the VMP supercharged Mustang. This is fast. He's getting new wheels on today, and he finally finished up all the tuning, so he can go full send on it. So we're gonna see what his car does against my Mustang today, hopefully. I just gotta fix one clamp real quick, and then we're gonna see if he wanna do the dance a little bit. I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. I don't know where Mike at, but I just pulled up. Is it in the front? Maybe it's in the front. Random place. This is like 50 minutes away. Explain to everybody why you keep picking these far ass places.
Nah, it's because when I went to get my lift kit on my pickup truck, this is the only place that was I mean they do good work.
Oh my God, it's like an hour away.
It's the only place I could find, but I mean I was looking for reviews and stars and they had like 4.5, so I was like, I came here and they did good work. They did love rims, like they get my tires, they get done, bro.
Don't ask me to come out here no more. It's a far drive. Damn, look at this Raptor here. Damn, if this was focused, you could see these Hot Boy wheels on here. Remember, I wanted one of these, man. Sheesh. Cut off when I first walked into the store. I didn't even notice. I was talking the whole time, but this place is nice. Damn, it do look good. Damn, look at that the front fender. Yeah, you got perfect fitment.
Back for about 30.
That was too aggressive?
Yeah, it definitely poke a lot. It poke a lot in the back.
305, 35. I mean, it's probably pretty stiff. It should be good.
Damn. Like, let me have your taillights, man.
I might have to get the whistle.
Let me get your taillights.
No, wait, or you know what it is? Or,
just poke a little bit more on one side. Yeah. And he got those, what are those, the NTO5Rs in the back?
Yeah.
NTO5Rs in the back, the G2s in the front. Y'all know how I hate the G2s, but at least he got them in the front instead of the back, so it's all right. About to head out of here, and then we're gonna hit the highway, and we're gonna see what Mike can do today. We're gonna see what Mike can do.
We can show him real quick the problem we got.
Well, I showed him in the video already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I showed him. He just need a pan hard bar.
Yeah, so we gonna
Come on, man.
It looks nice.
Yeah, it looks good. Definitely looks good. Definitely.
And the blue hits, bro. Like the blue.
Yeah, definitely.
The silver, the blue hit. Like
the blue, definitely. Yeah, this is good. It's a good look. Let's get out of there. Let's hit the highway. Let's see what Mike got. We're not gonna race today. That's for another time. Yeah. We're gonna let him get his stuff right because he's gonna make excuses. And body. That was cool. That was cool. All right. Look how he came out. 11 and 12, 13, 14. Take your pick. I got them same headlights. See, my headlights are here. I got them headlights. Now Mike just gotta give me his taillights and we good.
Yeah, all right,
That's up. Alright. I guess we're gonna hit the highway and head back then. Alright, so we about to hit the highway real quick. We gonna get some rolling shots of Mike's car. Little do he know, I'm gonna put the GoPro on. I'm gonna goad him. He keeps saying he don't wanna do nothing crazy today, but I'm gonna goad him into something real quick. So just wait a second, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm leaving this man. He can't even catch me. What he doing? Just look at it. Oh my God. Make me have to get a cinematic shot off him. Look, I'm about to get him, y'all. Look at him, Chucky. Look at Mike trying to get spicy and keep up. Go ahead, Mike. Look at him. Catch up to it real quick. Let me go ahead and catch up to it real quick. He acting numb. Oh, look at him. He acting different. Yo. Go ahead, man. Go ahead. Ain't I'm in 5th gear. Bye, Mike. Oh, the police. Go ahead. Let's see if he gonna cut the Tesla. Look at him. Let's see if he gonna get that. I can't even do nothing right now because of my clamps. I think I'm gonna end the video there. Just a short little video, just a little something for y'all for the week. VMP Supercharged, stay tuned. We are gonna run. Just know we're gonna see Mike's car versus my car pretty